Hi, in this video I'm looking at this question here where we've got 3 dice are rolled and the numbers are noted, and they want to know how many different possible outcomes are there. When we got a question talking about combinations, we're trying to talk about, well, what happens for all 3 numbers? So I could have, say, a 1, 1 and a 1, or a 1, 1 and a 2. How many different combinations are there? And the way this is done is using the multiplication principle, which says that for every group that you have, if you know how many things are in that group, what are the total combinations of everything, you just multiply them all together. So if I think about my first die, and my second die, and my third die as my groupings, I then think about how many things are in each of those groups. Well, if we assume that this is a standard 6-sided die, then my numbers are 1 through to 6 on all of my dice, which means that I have 6 things all up. So all I have to do to answer this question is just do 6 times 6 times 6, because I've got 6 options for the first dice, 6 options for the second dice, and 6 options for the third dice. And multiplying them all together to work out my options, 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. And that's all there is. So if you roll 3 die, there are 216 possible outcomes of different numbers combining together, from 1, 1, 1 all the way up to 6, 6, 6.